Here I'm going to show you how to use the tool bubble.us. So once you create an account and sign in with the free version, you're going to be brought to this, which is kind of like your dashboard where all of your maps are housed. So mind maps are basically brainstorm webs or charts to help keep all of your ideas together. So I have one created, you can see that right here. But if I wanted to create a new mind map, I would just click New Mind Map. And then it starts with whatever box you want in the center. So to enter something there, I would just click and backspace what is there. And let's say I wanted to make a mind map on animals. So once I have that done, you can see that just when you hover over the box, all these options pop up for formatting. So you can change the color if I wanted to. I can change to bold, italics, I can do formatting options there, size, all of those things. This allows me to pick if I want my mind map to look like a grid, a tree, and different options there, or if I want it to be a circle. So right now it's in the circle format. I do recommend and prefer that as well. So once I, again, am clicked in this box, two things pop up, this one and this one. So that just tells me where am I going to take my next direction. So if I were to click the plus sign here, it drops it right below, and then I can add something that comes off of the box of animals. So let's say I wanted to do cats. You can see it's a different color. It actually brings a different shade of this existing color. Then from here, again, I have my formatting options, and then I can either add this way or add this way. So if I were to add down, you can see it drops it with a different color. You can do a type of cat, so tiger. Once I click back onto here, after I've clicked out, it will again bring up those formatting options, and then I can keep clicking down, or I can go back and add another cat. So I would go this way, and let's say cougar. And you can see it just keeps going. If I wanted to come back and do another animal, I would just click on here. I'm sorry, it's not what I wanted to do. Click here and add another animal, so dog. And then if I wanted to add a dog, I would again click on this one, add this, and do a type of dog. So you can see the mind map grows as you keep typing and adding to it. You can click on each box and drag it and move it and drop it where you want it to be. You can zoom in and out, which is helpful, which is up here if you wanted to see your entire mind map, or if you wanted to zoom in a little bit. Up here you can select, if I wanted to select all of them, I didn't like any of this, I want to start fresh, I can select all and then hit delete on my keyboard if I wanted to, or I have options to duplicate, copy, format, and do that with whatever boxes I've selected, so all of them in this case. If I wanted to deselect all, I can cut and copy and do whatever I want in the select mode up here. This, if I wanted to completely reset it or have a different background color, I could do that as well. Once I am done with my mind map and I like how it looks, up here I have some options so I can share it, which means that I can just get a link to it. Then I could save it as a PDF, put it in my drive, something like that. I could have it in a presentation mode, or if I wanted to print it. And these are just your undo, redo buttons. If you didn't like something that you did at the moment, you can do that as well. So it's very simple. It does save automatically, like a Google Doc or something like that, so that's really nice. And then you can see my title up here just is created with the first thing that I chose. And if I wanted to go back to all of my mind maps, this is another one I've created. You can just see a lot went into that one. I was clicking and dragging to kind of organize it how I liked it. So very simple to create mind maps and brainstorm charts on bubble.us.